Hey everyone, this is Roota Mittal. Welcome back to my channel. In my last video's comment, someone put down a comment saying, hey, can you talk more about creation of your portfolio? Now your girl over here has done over six figures in freelancing, and no, not six figures in INR terms, six figures in USD, meaning $100,000, which is roughly, I think, 70 lakhs INR. So that was an awesome journey, and today I want to share my secrets and I share the portfolio that made it all happen, and I want to break it down step by step with you guys. Are you excited? Let me know. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to this channel, my channel, because it takes a lot of effort to put these videos out. Our team works so hard to get it out to you, and I work so hard to do my research and prep everything, and I'll make sure that you subscribe so that I'm more motivated to keep creating consistent videos for you guys. Like, that is one of my things that I'm focusing on in 2022. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you guys don't know, I have like a six-figure freelancing course which is absolutely free. Like, anyone can get access at no cost, which basically teaches you not to just build a portfolio, but really how to go ahead and find your niche, find your novelty, how to go ahead and find your first or next high-end client, how to basically get started as a freelancer, as a coach, as a consultant in today's day and age, so that you can get more freedom, not just income wise, but location wise, and basically doing the work that you love. So if you're interested, stay till the very end of this video. I'm going to share the link to this free course, but for now, let's get started. My six-figure portfolio, which made me $100,000. Okay, so there are four elements to creating a kick-ass, badass portfolio that you want to keep in mind. The major reason I lean towards sharing the portfolio steps is because you don't need to spend a lot of money building a website, especially at the start. Like, definitely I would recommend a website once you have a few clients in place, and this portfolio will help you do that, but you don't need to spend any time or money or resources to get a website up and running. Clients don't mind that. Okay, so just to have that out of the way. So four main pillars of a kick-ass portfolio. Number one is your bio. Basically, what will people think? Like, what is your unique selling point? So for example, let me share my screen now. So here, this is an example, and these stats were actually when I was an ongoing freelancer. So that is why the numbers are much higher now, obviously, but I still want to meet you where you are. And, so basically this goes, hi, I'm Roota. I'm a software engineer turned full-time marketer. I pride in experimenting with Instagram and Facebook ads to find creative ways to grow your impact and income online. I currently have 22k followers on Instagram. This was so long ago. I have like 170k plus, but you get the point. Everyone starts somewhere. And I have converted $50,000 in sales from her audience via just Instagram. Recently, I helped a client make $67,000 in core sales in a month by utilizing strategic Facebook and Instagram ads. So this is my bio. Now, what do you notice? Your bio needs to be like unique, sexy, and client focused. Basically here, this is my novelty at the time. This was my novelty at the time because no one else was doing IG and Facebook ads together to give them holistic sales and holistic marketing strategy for doing launches. Then here I shared my expertise, like why should you listen to me? What makes me an expert over here? This is the start of that, and this is another, kind of client trust building thing where if they see, oh, they recently helped a client make 67k in sales, they would be amazing. They know something, right? So I get it that a few beginner freelancers won't have these results, but you don't need to worry, okay? Your first job, if you don't have any clients, is to grab 3 testimonial clients so that you can give them your services for free. They don't pay you anything. They just pay for the cost of ads, if any, involved. And basically you get 3 testimonials. So if you don't have this, that's completely okay, but I am really making this video keeping newbie and experienced freelancers in mind. So I'll give you one more example. This was my example. I'll give you one more example to find the novelty, to make your bio sexy. And again, 3 things you need to remember: unique, sexy, and client focused. Don't go blabbing about yourself. You want to tell the client what they will get out of working with you. Okay, so it needs to be client focused. So example, one of the examples that you can use is, I help authors self-publish their books without a publisher, with more profits and less overwhelm. So this is your unique selling point. And then you can mention whatever results you have, that, oh, I helped my previous client I helped them sell a religious book which sold 25,000 copies in the first month itself, even without a publisher. And then they later went on to upsell this audience their programs and courses, which made it a 6-figure launch, which made it a 100K launch. So that's how you basically share, that's how you do bragging of your own results. Remember, it's not bragging. Your clients need to trust you before they hire you as a freelancer. So this is authority building, and you should not shy away from sharing your uniqueness, your novelty, and any freaking figures, any data that makes your client trust you. Okay, remember that. Number two thing you need to focus on is case study, epic case study. Let me show you an example with real data, real results, real funnels, real copy, real ads, everything, so that your clients can trust you more. Yeah. So let me show you real case study. So here, for example, it is a webinar case study. So I shared the goal of this client. It was to get webinar leads for their webinar funnel. We created a conversion campaign. I gave more information about the targeting we chose. I shared more information about ad spend, lead, ROS, which means return on ad spend. How much they spent, how many leads we got, how many sales we got. End-to-end data of everything. I give more information here about what we tested. So again, this should feel like a real case study where you give, hey, this was this goal, then we did this to make this happen, here are the numbers, then here you basically put on the ads that you use to market that offer, then you have the funnel over here, the landing page and thank you page. Again, real data, real pictures, all these real examples builds a lot of trust for clients. Okay, and anyways, it's the same thing you would put on a website. So why invest in a website really at the start? Focus on building a very strong portfolio. Here there are some ad results. Here I have put some important KPIs from ads like reach, relevance, CTR, number of leads, cost per lead, sales, cost per each sale spent, return on ad spend, all of that. So these are the matrix. Again, real matrix and real data will help you do wonders. Don't just add one case study over here. You can add multiple, as many as you have. However, if you have more, I would say choose the top 3 case studies, because we don't want to overwhelm people and we don't want to share older, less epic results. If you keep getting better results, keep updating your portfolio. Okay. Then over here, basically you want, the third thing is to put a testimonial, a real testimonial from a client. Now again, if you don't have one, grab it by working with 3 testimonial clients. Again, my 6-figure freelancing course will talk more about that. So wait for that video. I'll give you the link at the end. But basically the testimonial is, as you can see, they talk about my qualities. Roota was a huge help on beginning my Instagram advertising. I know how to do it, but it felt like such a huge task. And Roota did all the hard stuff for me. She made it easy for me to film, and she took it from there. She invested 20 minutes, and a month later I'm getting followers for less than 15 cents a follower. Roota helped me add 3,000 followers under 30 days. If you're on the fence about hiring her, she's legit. If someone says nice things about you, where you reduce their problems, where you make their lives easy, you make your client's life easy, and the client has said something like that, it matters, because all your clients are looking for is to make their lives easy. Okay, that is number 1. That this is how you get a good testimonial which will help you convert even more high-end clients. Number 2 is getting matrix and data. you get real matrix, how much growth, how many leads, how many sales, in what amount of time. Grab all of this information from the client and get their permission to use it. You want to use this because this is a wholesome testimonial. Again, use top 3 testimonials if you have many, but testimonials will do wonders. The fourth part of a kick-ass portfolio, which will convert high-end clients for you, is a call to action. What action do they want to take after seeing your awesome testimonials, after seeing your awesome case studies, after reading your unique bio, which is unique, sexy, and client focused? What you need is a call to action. So here I have 2 things. Number 1, anytime a freelancer wants to sell something, your number 1 CT, your number 1 thing that you need to get the client to do is book a discovery call with you. And that is why we have a Calendly link in place. Calendly is free and very easy to set up. You can send your calendar link and basically they can book a convenient time slot to talk to you, and they can fill a quick survey where you can collect all the questions. Again, if you want more information about the survey and this entire process, wait for the freelancing course at the end. And then you can also email, you put your email ID so that if they have any questions, they can talk to you. But these are the 2 CTAs, and the CTA are very important. Book a call with me and email me if you have any questions. So this is a portfolio. This is what it looks like. Let me know if you have any comments about this in the comment section. As always, if this video was helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe it, and I'll see you in the next one. Before that, I promised you the 6-figure freelancing course at the end. Here it is. It will teach you all of these things, and the link is over here displayed on the screen. Also, it will show up as a clickable link at the end of this video, or you can also find the link in the description of this video. I look forward to you guys seeing the 6-figure freelancing course for free. And then of course we have a paid program, Marketing Accelerator. So if you want to consider that and join us in that, to not just build a kick-ass portfolio, but to have basically the A to Z of becoming a high-end marketing freelancer, coach, consultant. We help you in that. We have had like 2,000 plus entrepreneurs all over the world do that. Our clients have done over $11 million in trackable revenue by using the Marketing Accelerator framework. So all of that is available. Help is available if you are asking for it, if you're wanting it. So yeah, join us if it seems like the right fit, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.